Here is lesson 17 for snare. We will play we will play Jingle Bells on page 12. But before we do that, we need to talk about what a flam tap is. You see it says it is a rudiment. You've heard us talk about rudiments, and you'll hear us talk about it some more throughout class. But your flam tap, it shows you left, right, right. So a regular flam tap, and then the big letter, you just strike again. So the very first hit, that's the flam. The next note is a regular note. That was a right flam tap. Okay, now if you do it the other way with a left flam tap, basically the hand that hits does two quarter notes. That's how that works. Okay? Now for Jingle Bells. There is also a one measure repeat sign in Jingle Bells, isn't there? If you've read the top of your page, you know that that is a one measure repeat sign, and it means to repeat the previous measure. So look at measure 5. Now look at measure 6. You see that repeat sign. So when you play measure 6, you're just going to play measure 5 again. So it'll be measure 5, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. Measure 7, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that one measure repeat means play the previous measure. You're not going to play measure 5 twice and then go to measure 6. That doesn't make sense, because it doesn't tell you to play that twice. Okay? Here we go. Jingle Bells. In the flam position, so left is close, right is up. And 1, 2, ready, and... 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 1, 3, 4. One. And that was Jingle Bells. Now, the important part for Jingle Bells is when you're playing, make sure you don't lose track of where you are in the music, and make sure you are watching your director. Because if you don't do that, we're all in trouble. Okay? Alright, let me give you our code word before I talk about the next thing. Our code word is band. We are playing Jingle Bells, the band arrangement. Alright, sticking. The first measure shows you you're sticking. A right flam tap, a left flam tap, and then 4 quarter notes. For those 4 quarter notes, you don't have sticking in there, so you can do whichever way you want. You can do left, right, or right, left. Doesn't really matter. But I want you to use this bit of common sense. Measure 1 ends in a left hit. So we're going to do left again? Probably not. You'll do right. So yeah, right, left. And you'll notice, as you end measure 2 with the left, your right is up, and look at that, you have a right flam tap. Okay? Just do what makes sense. It would be a little bit harder to do right, left, right. That's a lot of extra work to think that through. So just keep it where it's easy, it's common. Right, left, right, left. Flam, you're there. Alright, that was Jingle Bells, lesson 17. Thank you for joining me.